If you're having trouble receiving login codes from Binance, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email and phone number. Ensure that the email address and phone number linked to your Binance account are correct. Log into your account settings and verify that the information is accurate. Step 2. Resend the code. If you haven't received the login code, try clicking the Resend Code option on the login page. This will send a new code to your registered email or phone number. Step 3. Check spam or junk folders. Sometimes, emails can end up in the spam or junk folder. Check these folders in your email account to see if the login code email has been misdirected. Step 4. Disable any email filters. If you have filters set up in your email account, they may be blocking or redirecting Binance emails. Temporarily disable these filters to ensure you receive the login codes. Step 5. Contact Binance support. If you still cannot receive the login codes after trying the above steps, reach out to Binance customer support for assistance. Provide them with details of your issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with receiving login codes from Binance. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help.